long division today. Before we get started, I just want you to know that you can do this. Long division, the process is all about staying organized, subtracting, and multiplying. Do you think you can do that? Great, let's get started. As you can see on the board, we have the problem 963 divided by 6. How about you go ahead and write that down in your notebook. Before we get started, we want to make sure that we can define the numbers that are actually in the problem. Okay? As you can see, we have a number here, a number there, and then there's a blank area up here at the top. Now, your dividend is the number that's being divided. The divisor is the number that you're breaking this into as far as groups are concerned. And then the quotient, of course, is going to be your solution. Now that we've defined all of our words, let's work it out. Now, if I look at my divisor, my number is 6. My first question I should ask myself is how many times does 6 go into 9? 1. Very good. So I'm going to put my 1 right here. And then when I multiply 6 and 1 together, that gives me 6. I'm going to carry it and put it right underneath the 9. Now, notice that I put my 1 on top of the 9. The reason I do that is because 6 goes into 9 one time, not 6 or 3, but it goes into this number in the dividend one time, so I'm going to place it on top of the 9. All right? Now that I have 6 here, I'm going to do 6 minus 6, and it's going to give me 0. It's going to give me 3, excuse me. And then from here, I'm going to bring down my next number, which is going to be 6. I'm going to bring my 6 down, and now I have 36. My first question is going to be, once again, how many times does 6 go into 36? You got it, it's 6. So I put my 6 in my quotient, and now I multiply 6 times 6, and that gives me 36. Go back to my subtraction. 36 minus 36 is going to give me 0. Now I bring down my 3 into my dividend. Now, we have a problem here. 6 going into 0 and 3. Generally what happens in this case is I have a number that's usually smaller than my divisor. So what I can do is I can eliminate this 0 by multiplying 6 times 0 to give me just simply 3. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to put 0 in our quotient. 6 times 0 is going to give me 0. And what I'm left with is just 3. Now, when we get a problem or we get a number in our dividend that's smaller than our divisor, we can do one of two things. But this particular time, we're going to just simply write it as a remainder. Whenever there's a number at the end that I cannot divide into, I'm going to call it my remainder. So my remainder is going to be 3. So we'll put an R, which means remainder, and then 3 right outside. Great job. Now, you are a long division